In today's video, I am going to show you how to recover your permanently deleted Facebook account after 30 days. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. So if your Facebook account was deleted and 30 days have passed, then it means that Facebook account is now permanently deleted. And in order to recover such permanently deleted Facebook account, what you need to do is to open your internet browser, and in the search bar, you need to type facebook.com/support and click on search. Now click on this back icon, then click on account settings. Now below this was this helpful tab, select no and then click on other. Okay, now in this box you need to briefly state the issue that you are facing. You have to write down that your Facebook account was deleted and now you want to recover it. Or you can just copy paste whatever I am writing here. I'll put the paragraph in the description below so you guys can just copy paste it from there. Once you have done that, tap on submit, and after you click on submit, within the next 24 hours, your permanently deleted Facebook account will be recovered. So that was it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.